Sarah says, "Hello, I have a defined solar plexus. I have just become aware through this lecture that I keep my abdomen tucked in at all times. There is a wall of tension I hold unconsciously since many, many years, and I have started breathing deeper through diaphragm now. Thank you for shedding a light on this aspect. I also have a lot of judgment about my abdomen and belly area. I always feel this is the part of my body that is most disconnected. Can you provide your valuable insights on this?" Um, every organ, every part of our body is connected. Every part of our spine, everything is connected to our aura field, to our energy field. And our energy field stores all memories and all trauma. So I'll give you examples for me. I feel my left side around my stomach and heart is very pinched, very closed off, very tight. And immediately when I sit down and take my hands under my rib cage and open up my left side of my belly, my left side of my diaphragm, my left clavicle, vagus nerve, all this left shoulder, I breathe deeper and I see the world differently. So it could be a lot of things. It could, and it maybe it does, it's not related to the solar plexus. Solar plexus is middle of the body. It is pretty close to where you are. It could be a lot of things. It could be connected to human design and the solar plexus, but maybe not. Um, Definitely the front of the body is what we always try to protect. It's like if somebody was to hit you in the back with a fist or with a crowbar or baseball bat or whatever, it would hurt, but there's the spine, which is pretty sturdy, there's the back muscles, there's the shoulders to protect you. But if somebody punches you in the gut or in the solar plexus, that's not that doesn't end well. Your heart is there, your spleen is there, liver, pancreas, all the important guys are in the front. And that's why all the postures where we close up the front of the body is protective. And almost nobody breathes like we should be breathing. We're all crunched up over our phone. And think of how you look when you're sitting on a chair on a computer. Your whole upper body is collapsing over the diaphragm, it's collapsing over the belly. You're holding your hip muscles, your hips are locked in. I'm telling you from experience. And your abs are locked in, and you can't breathe like that. We were meant to squat. We were meant to squat and be on the ground, not on a chair, not over a phone. And then there's a lot of other things. For example, there are foods that hurt you. There are foods that are not, that have chemicals, that are processed, that have salt in them, that have sugar in them, processed sugar in them, oil, very dehydrating foods, chemicals. I mentioned chemicals before, acid forming foods. All these things are like little traumas. You eat and you traumatize your bowels, your gut, your stomach. And we weren't taught that these are not actually foods. So that could be an approach. But yeah, definitely, like everyone holds tension around breathing because breathing is the primary most important thing. Without that, you're done. You can go without food for so long, without water for so long, without people, without technology, without so many things, but if you're not breathing in 5 minutes, goodbye. And every time we don't want to face the world, we hold our breath, hoping it's gonna go away. It's not gonna go away. The world still goes on, and we are just left there holding our breaths, hoping it will end or change. It's not gonna change like that. The only way to change anything is to breathing. And if we were traumatized as kids and we hold our breath and we hold our belly, we remember that as a mechanism, and then we repeat it every single time. Take your hands in the morning when you wake up and massage your diaphragm, massage under your ribs, massage your entire belly. Exhale all the air out. So, and then when it's empty, suck in your belly without sucking air in, and then just rub all the corners of your bowels, underneath the rib cage, diaphragm. Tap the ribs, tap your clavicle above. Do fascia maneuvers for the throat and the belly. So yeah, a lot of judgment about the abdomen and belly area. This could also be society, Sarah. Society places so much standards, so ridiculous standards on male appearance and female appearance, and then like men have to have huge muscles and be unresponsive and unreceptive to emotions and like a rock or whatever, and women need to have certain hair and makeup and flat bellies. And don't get me wrong, like a flat belly, if it's coming from a standpoint of eating fruits and being healthy and being raw, and then yeah, I'm also up for, yeah, please have a flat belly. But have a flat belly because it's a side effect of eating healthy, because you want to eat healthy, because you want to be healthy, not because you saw it on TV and oh my god, I have to have a flat belly. But then you still put makeup on that has chemicals, and you still eat processed foods that have chemicals, and you know, so it's all where it comes from. And then there's no shame or judgment because you're not comparing yourself to the TV or Instagram or your mom or your neighbor. So, yeah, just be gentle, you know. Society has conditioned us so much, and you're a very open projector. So, deconditioning, you've just started human design, and deconditioning takes 7 years. So, really, be gentle and go slow with it. Subscribe, like, leave a comment, share your story below. Check out my audio courses, Human Design, Basics, Intermediate, Projector Masterclass, other Human Design that will come out. Check out the Elemental Balancing audio course. They're all available on the Insight Timer app, where you are also invited to join the course classroom. In there, you can ask questions and get direct voice messages from me, and also engage with other students, share your feedback and insights, and further your learning. For one-on-one human design coaching and psychotherapy, send an inquiry through the website. Join us on the Insight Timer live sessions where we do fascia and qigong stress release classes. Check out my art and merch webshop full of my original designs ready to be printed on shirts, notebooks, and many other products. Download my free ebooks and join my newsletter to stay connected and get updates and content in your email. Everything mentioned is available at icreatelines.com. Peace, health, and abundance.